Let's see if we can do a little pull here. Hello and welcome back to Gearhead 704. I'm Matt, and today we are actually picking up the Mustang. We are here at Extreme Mustangs. I know I've talked about Extreme Mustangs a few times already, but I've never actually introduced you to Scott, the owner of the shop here, and he does amazing work. So I'm going to be sure to do that today. Other than that, we have a big week coming up. The car is going to get dyno tuned this week. So finally get to see what kind of numbers it'll make, you know, because the motor's broke in. Again, if you don't know what I'm talking about, see the last video. Let's go ahead and go inside and get started. All right, hey everybody, I'm here with Scott. He's gonna actually walk us through what was done this time. I've mentioned a lot about him. Anyway, you finally get to see who he is, so say hi to the world, Scott.
Hello.
So what do we got on this transmission, the air conditioning?
All right, when this was worked on before, this inside here, the threads inside here were messed up and we weren't able to actually charge the AC, check the AC, do anything with the AC.
Okay.
Then, and I wish I had the other part here.
The threads on the outside, I see what you're talking about.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So if you look in there.
Yeah.
Threads
Okay.
in there,
These are all right.
And we couldn't even pull the valve out, you know, to change anything. And then they messed all this up inside it too. So we had to change this whole piece.
Okay.
This whole piece.
Now
and
this is still the same, right?
No, this has been changed.
Oh, really?
Too.
Okay.
All right. Factory from Ford. Inside here, there's a sleeve inside there. That is cut halfway. Well, what they did is they took a line. Now you're supposed to pull the sleeve out.
Yeah.
They didn't pull the sleeve out, so.
Oh, really?
So they took the new line that they put on and they cut it with a saw. So when they cut it with the saw, they cut it too far and they cut it where the O-ring sits. So it leaked out all the Freon. So we had to get
because it worked for a little while when I had it.
Yeah.
But
So we had to actually replace the whole line.
Okay.
Yeah, because they destroyed the line, which is which is attached to the accumulator.
Yeah, over there. Okay.
I mean, which is attached over there.
Yeah.
So we had to replace this.
Same accumulator?
No, that's all brand new.
That accumulator's new too. Okay.
Yeah, because it's all tied together.
Okay. So this piece is what you're talking about right here is the accumulator.
Okay.
Yeah, I can tell. It looks nice. All right.
So this has been replaced. This has been replaced. Then we recharged it back up, checked it for leaks. It's leak free. Nice cold AC is here.
Okay, awesome. That's a lot. Yeah, a lot of work there. All right. And then so we did the valve covers. And what were you saying about the oil? What kind of oil did we put in it this time?
We put a Schaefer.
And when do you said it's still 20W50, right?
Right.
Okay.
Right.
And when should I be looking at to change that? Still go off a mile? Is it still 6 months, 3,000 miles, that type of thing? Or
yeah,
does 6 months matter as much? I'm probably going to hit that first, yeah.
You know, I mean, yeah, if you don't make 3,000 miles in a year, change it every year.
A year, okay. All right.
So, I mean, but it's
the valve covers look good.
Mm-hmm.
No leaks there.
No leaks
so we
there.
the leak was coming from right here, this piece, right? Okay.
Yes, yeah, from the tube right there.
All right.
It was moving back and forth and it was leaking from it, running down the ribs on the old valve cover. And then running down
and
the
then
back.
That's where I saw it, down the back.
Right.
Okay. And then we got a new alternator. This is for a 95 GT alternator. Is that what it is?
Yeah.
Or SN-95?
Yeah.
Okay.
Off a 95 Mustang GT, and it's 130 amp.
Okay. Instead of a 70 or what, 78 or something like that.
Stock is 65.
Okay.
Upgrade is 75.
Okay.
So you probably had a 75 on it.
Yeah.
This is a 130 amp.
Okay. Does it idle any differently with that on there? Have you noticed? Does that affect the idle at all?
It idles a little different.
Okay.
You know what I mean? But
we're gonna get that sorted when we dyno it anyway, right? Okay.
Right. But the main thing is when we're turning the AC on, the voltage will go down to 12.5.
Okay.
Now when we turn the AC on, the voltage goes from 14.5 to 14.2.
Okay.
It's supposed to be around 14.2, 14.5.
Cool.
So the voltage is doing what it's supposed to do.
And you said you had to do a conversion, I saw, for this?
Yes.
So what's the conversion part of it?
I had to rewire this.
Okay.
The regular rectifier was his rectangular pigtail.
Yeah.
I had to cut those off.
I see, that's
tied
different.
Into there, and then this gets tied into here.
Okay.
So then now it charges. They still use the factory wires and everything.
So everything's still hooked up like it was before? Okay.
Right.
Cool.
And I had to obviously modify the alternator bracket here too.
Oh,
so
okay.
it would clear it, and I had to modify this on the bottom too, so everything would hook.
We have to get a different belt too, probably, right?
No,
oh, okay. Belt still works?
Yep, no.
So if I ever had a belt go on this, I could just still get just a factory belt?
Right.
Awesome. That's awesome.
Right.
Okay.
So sometimes you got to run a different belt if this pulley size is bigger. This one ended up actually working out to where you.
Okay.
Yeah.
I do actually have an underdrive pulley set at home. Is that worth putting on?
No.
Okay.
Leave it off.
Leave it off. All right.
This is better.
And this will cool a lot better too. And all right.
Yeah, it was great.
All right. Well, I think that's all we did, right? Yeah, we didn't do anything else this time.
No. And I changed the oil.
Right.
But other than that, yeah.
Awesome. All right. Well, thanks, man. Appreciate it.
Not a problem.
Says on the way home, wouldn't you know it? What did I have to do, of course? That's right. Time to get gas in the car. Always happens on these cars. Always running out of gas when you, when you have a big V8. That's right. It takes 93. Of course, right? Let's see what you got. Take it Mark second a little bit. Woo! So hey guys, I'm back home right now. The car ran great. The air conditioning is really cold. The motor is pulling strong. As you saw, I finally got to do an actual pull in first gear. Now it's broke in. Has great power, and I can't wait to see what it's going to do on the dyno. So be sure you tune in for that next video. It's going to be the next one I post. We're going to have it on the dyno, see what kind of numbers it can get, and I'm going to be there, so you'll get all the details on that. Other than that, if you enjoyed what you saw today, please hit the like button. And if you want to see more content like this, please subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you next time on Gearhead 704.